Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you get to see that your system drive or drive C in general is completely full and you want to get rid of all the unnecessary and unwanted files from your system so that you can free some space and make your system run better, then this video is for you. As usual, allow me to show you how to clean unwanted files from your PC or laptop on Windows 11 in some simple few clicks. So there are a total of two methods. Coming to the first method, which is very simple and basic, all you have to do is press Windows plus R or go to search and type run. Once the run dialog box is visible, simply type %temp% and click enter. Once inside the temp folder, you will see that there is an ocean of data stored over here. But the fun part is these files are useless and can be deleted to save space without any issues. When any software/app or your operating system performs any task, they create these files and use them. Once the task is done, either these files are deleted or they are stored in this temp folder. Thus, it's completely safe to delete these files. Simply select all the files by pressing Alt+A and then click delete. Also, while deleting, some files might resist to get deleted because they are currently being used by the system. Simply click on do this for all current items and click skip. Also, some files might require administrator permission. Simply select do this for all current items again and click continue this time. Make sure to delete those files from recycle bin too. By this method, you can save some gigabytes of space at times. Coming to method 2, which is a bit more advanced and customized way of saving space. Head over to search, type storage and then click on storage settings. Once inside, you will see that this section provides you a detailed insight of how much space of your system drive is currently under use. It also lets you know what is the type and nature of files which occupy your system drive currently by providing you bifurcated details of each category. In this section, I highly recommend you to switch on the Storage Sense feature because this feature automatically deletes unwanted files in the background and free up space. Now, in order to get rid of unwanted files, click on the Temporary Files option, then click on Refresh to update the page. Once done, you can see that the system automatically provides you bifurcated data of all the temporary and unnecessary files that you can get rid of in order to save space. In my case, downloaded files occupies the most space, but since it contains a lot of important stuff, so I am going to skip it because I am going to need those files later on. But if in your case you don't need those files, then do make sure to delete the files in the downloaded sections too. I'm going to select rest all the other options except system recovery log files. Once the selection is done, it also shows me the amount of space that I am going to save by deleting these files, which is around 1.39 GB in my case. In your case, it can be more or less. Now simply click remove files, wait for the system to perform the task, and yeah, you are done. That's how you get rid of unwanted files from your PC or laptop on Windows 11. If this helped you, feel free to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos on interesting topics from the world of tech and gaming. Thanks for watching.